In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add thousand separators in Google Sheets. If you're working with large numbers, adding thousand separators makes them much easier to read at a glance. Instead of trying to decipher 100 you'll instantly recognize 1,000,000, which helps reduce mistakes and speeds up your workflow. Start by opening your Google Sheets document and selecting the cells where you want the thousand separators to appear. You can click and drag to select a range, use Shift-click to select a block, or click the column letter to select an entire column if all those values need the same formatting. Taking a moment to highlight exactly what you want to change ensures the formatting applies only where you intend. Next, head to the top of the screen and click the Format menu. This is where Google Sheets keeps all the visual styling tools for numbers, dates, and text. From there, hover over Number, and then choose Number again from the list. This option applies Google's default number style. As soon as you select it, Google Sheets will automatically add thousand separators to the selected cells. In many cases, you'll see commas placed every 3 digits, like 12,345 or 1,234,067. If your spreadsheet is set to a different locale, you may see a different separator style, but the idea is the same. Large numbers are grouped to improve readability. You'll also notice that the default format may show a certain number of decimal places. That's expected, and part of the standard number formatting. If you need something more specific, such as controlling how many decimals appear or ensuring integers show no decimals at all, you can create a custom format. Go back to Format, choose Number, then More Formats, and select Custom Number Format. In the Custom Format box, you can define how your number should look. For example, a pattern like will display thousand separators with no decimals, and Jabamars will show 2 decimal places. You can preview the result before applying it, so you know exactly how it will appear in your sheet. Finally, review the cells you formatted to make sure the thousand separators are correctly applied. Scan through your selection, confirm that the grouping looks right, and check that decimals match your expectations. This quick check helps catch any inconsistencies, especially if some cells were already formatted differently. And that's it. With a few clicks, your numbers become clearer, cleaner, and ready for analysis or presentation.